we are going to implement updating of a post. And the concept is going to be the same process as we create a post. But instead, we are going to pre-populate the existing content, and then the user can go ahead and then update. So it means that we are going to call two controllers, and that is, one is for fetching the post details and one is going to be the actual updating. Let's look at the logic for the API, which is the update over here. We will need the title and then the description, and for this one we will need the description only. So I can remove this. Perfect. So we are going to render the component for the updating, and we are going to use the exact component for the creating of a post. So in the post folder for the creating, copy and paste and change this one to update post. I think we have that one already. Yeah, this one, let me see, but this one is too basic, right? So let me trash this one and then change this one to update post. All right, and on the dashboard for the post, when we click on this link, we are targeting this path. So let's locate that on the app.jsx and let's search for update post. We don't have it. So now let me copy, paste, and I will say update post, and here as update post. I think we have it here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we have it. So let's check again the path for the update. Yeah, this one's supposed to be, let me check the path well. It is update post and then the ID of the post. So here as that, then the colon post ID. All right, so let's see. If I go to my post and click on edit, we have the form for the creating of the post, but for this one it's going to be update. So let me change the text here from add new post to update post. For this one, we have done it under the version 1 for this project. That is a CRUD operation. So here we need to find this particular post and then pre-populate into the form here. And let's bring in, let me close the unused ones, and let me bring in the update post API. So here is going to be update post API, this one, and then let me change this one to update post, but post mutation is okay. And let's get the post ID from the param. So here as const equal to use params and then post ID, and we have to fetch the post details, and we have the logic already on the post details. So let's copy that logic, which is somewhere here. Yeah, this one, copy that, use query here, and then below here paste that, remove these ones, and I want the data as that. Let me rename this one to post details. All right, and let's bring in this API services for fetching a single post, and let's log the post details. Let's see, and we have it as, no, we don't have it. Let me check. Yeah, it is undefined. Well, let me log the post ID here, line number 21. We have it though. Let me try again. Yeah, I think we have it here. Yeah, post found. Yeah, this one, we got it. So let me try again. I think we have so many console logs. Let me remove from the off route here the users off route. I think I have one console log. Remove that, and let's see where we have one or so. I think we have one on the update rather. Yeah, so let's continue on. So I know that we have the post, line number 28. Yeah, we got it. So we are going to pre-populate this one into the form, which is this one. Yeah, and even for this, since we are using this content as this, is it a good idea? Okay, so let's try out. So let me check. It is equal to the post found. So here as post details dot post found, and then dot description. In case we have one, use that, otherwise use empty string. And we don't see it unless we enable it by using re-enable or enable re-initialize to true to get the value. Yeah, we had it. It's good, right? We had it. So let's go ahead and then modify the submit. Over here, we have to pass in the ID of the post. Therefore, we have to pass it as an object and then pass in the post ID. So it means that for the API, we have to destructure that. And then the second one going to be the post ID. And then pass in here as the post ID. And here is going to be the actual post data. And that is it. So now let me change this one to 2 or 3. And choose any image. And let's see. Let's check. Well, for some reasons, it couldn't update. All right. So let's try again. Let me log the post mutation. It's supposed to work. Let's get back to the dashboard. And then my post, edit, add this one. And let me clear it. Okay, I think, yeah, we got it as post updated. Let's see the content. Yeah, but it couldn't save. We have it as before. What is the problem? Let's check. Let's look at the post mutation, which is this. Change this one to update post, the key. Yeah, let me try again. And post updated. Well, I got it. Remember, we are passing them as an object here, so it means that in the post API, we don't need these curly braces because this is an object itself. Let me change this one to 3 and then update. Let's check. And this one, data, post, and we still see that. Well, I have seen the issue, and that is the backend. At the moment, we are not supporting file upload on the updating of a post. So in the router here, post, the post route. As you can see, for the creation, we are passing in the form data here, and that is the file upload. So copy that. And then for the update, paste that. Yeah, and that is it. So it means that in the update, we have to modify the controller, which is this. Now we can accept the file. At the moment, we don't need the title here. And then what we want is the image. So the image here, it can be found on rec.file.path as we did for the creation. Now I believe that it will work. So let's try out. Change this one to 3. And let me add, or let me update. And now let's see, updated. And now we have the post being updated. If you check that, as you can see, yeah, we got it, but the image couldn't be uploaded. Yeah, so let's see and fix that. Rec.file. Let's see the creation one. For the creation, the way we are passing in the image, it is supposed to be rec.file. Yeah, sorry guys, supposed to be rec.file. Yeah, so we are all set. We can go ahead and then update that and change this one to 4. And let me choose any image, something like this. And now let's see. Good. And now it worked. Let's avoid this message as post created, which is, I would say, updating, please wait, and post updated. And down here for the button, we will say that update post. And that is it. Let's try one more time. My post, update 5, or let me choose 6. And then the category CSS, the image, something like this is invalid. Let me use this. No, let me change the image. Yeah, it's okay. Updating, please wait, and post updated. All right, now it worked.